it's me Shifaa and welcome back to Fun with Shifaa. So today we are gonna read this book. This is International Science and this is of primary class 4. So today we are gonna read Adaptation in Animals. So it is Adaptation is starting from page number 16. So let's start. Adaptation. Why do polar bears live in the Antarctic but not camels? And why do camels live in the desert but not polar bears? This is because polar bears would not be able to survive in the deserts and camels would die in the cold freezing Arctic. All organisms have special characteristics and behaviors that enable them to survive the living conditions of their habitats. They are suited or adapted into their surroundings or environment. The adaptation helps the organism to survive in their habitat. Adaptation of a camel. Camels live in dry deserts with very little food and water. How do they survive such conditions? It some store fat which can be converted to energy to help it survive long periods without food. Its thick bushy eyebrows and double rows of eyelashes keep out a very bright sunlight and the sand blowing across the desert. Its nostrils can be closed to keep out the desert sand. Broad flat pads on the bottom of its feet prevent it from sinking into the soft sand. When camels find water in the desert, they can drink a lot of water within a short period of time. They can survive on that amount of water for weeks. They preserve very little, so they do not lose water from their bodies too fast. Adaptation of a cactus. Like camels, cacti live in deserts. But adaptations to cacti have to conserve as much water as little water as possible. A thick coat of wax on the surface of its stem prevents water stored inside the plant from evaporating, changing into water vapor. Its thick and fleshy stem stores water, especially when it rains. The green stem makes the food as the leaves take a form of very small spines. These spines are the leaves of the plant. The spines help to reduce water loss from the plant through evaporation. They also protect the plant from being eaten by animals. Do you think that plants living in rainforests will have their leaves reduced to spines and stems which store water? And why? Adaptation of a water lily. Unlike camels and cacti, which live under very dry conditions, water lilies live in habitat with a lot of water. What adaptation helps them to survive in such a habitat? Many tiny openings called stomata are found on the upper surface of the leaf of the exchange of gases. Stomata are actually found on the underside of leaves of the land plants. The leaves' wide, flat shape and air spaces help to float on the water surface to get sunlight from making food. A waxy coating on the upper surface of leaf makes it waterproof. Compare the leaves of water lily and cactus, how they are different. Would the water lily, with its large leaves, be able to survive in the desert like cacti? Why? Adaptation of a fish. A fish lives in water. What adaptation help it to survive in water? Let us look at the example of a shark. Its fins and tail enables it to move in the water. Its gills enable it to breathe in the water. Its streamlined body enables it to move very quickly and smoothly in the water. Help! Now I know why the shark can swim so fast. So that's it for the video. Like to this video if you like the adaptation. adaptations. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to watch my other series, which I will be uploading 3 series of this video. One will be adaptations and I will be searching stuff from the computer and telling you about that. The first was about the adaptations which I am reading, and the third will be of adaptations in I will be drawing stuff on the board. Thanks for watching Fun with Shifaa. It is me, Shifaa, and bye.